Hey guys, welcome back to Cam's Custom Backgrounds. Here's part 2 of this build right behind me here for my diamond python. Everything's completed as you can see. I hope you enjoy this quick little video I put together of how I finished everything off. So without further ado, sit back, relax, enjoy the little video. Alright guys, that pretty much wraps up this this build right here. Now I've gone ahead and added some springtails in there. They probably won't survive. They might. I'll just have to keep the soil damp. These are some natural vines and stuff that I've just chucked in. I've got Yuki mulch as the base, a whole heap of leaf litter to try and give those springtails somewhere that's retained moisture. As you can see, she's gone and found her nice hot rock up the top here. Currently, I'm still waiting on the glass, but I just thought I'd give you guys I'll put her in there and let her cruise around, and she seems to be having a good time. So thanks for watching this build, and I'll catch you on the next one.